another lesson today this morning, and we are going to look at two very important tools to draw shapes in PIXELLAB. So let's get into it. Okay, so I want to start something this way. So I write my text. I told you, for you to write a text, you always have to get your Geographos regular. You choose your font. I want this font. Then I edit my text. So I want to write Medwin Digital Academy or Gospel Consult. So Gospel Consult. Okay. So depending on what, Gospel Media Consult. Okay, so Gospel Media Consult. Alright, so I increase it a little. This is what I'm having here. Gospel Media Consult. Okay, so after doing this, you come to this side, this tool, where you can find the third tool. And you see Beizer. After clicking on the Beizer tool, you come down, you see there are a lot of things here. And you choose the middle one. Okay, you choose this one, this particular one. Then you come down a little, then you choose this. Okay, after choosing that, then I now adjust it to draw my shape. Okay, so I want to draw a shape. I want to draw a shape now. Okay. So I'm drawing a shape. Okay. Alright, so I want to draw a nice shape. Okay, so I have manipulated to get my shape. Okay. So I come to my opacity, then I increase it, then I change the color to black. Change the color to black, then I click my OK. So you see the shape I have gotten there. Alright, so I come here to do a duplicate. Click on it, then I duplicate it. I put it somewhere here. And I come to merge the two shapes, this one and this one, the GMC and then the shape I've created on it. I merge the two of them. So after merging the two of them, then I select them, then I come to erase color. So after erasing the color, this is not the color I want to use, so I click on this, then I take my black out. Then I increase my tolerance. You see, when you decrease on, you see some small slight black edges around it. I'm not interested in that. Okay, I'm not interested in that. So I increase it. I want to get a neat work. So I increase it. Then I press OK. All right. So the next thing we are now going to do is that I have to make a duplicate of this work too. Put it here. Then there is another tool we are going to use called the mask tool. So the mask tool. So I come here, look for my mask tool. Good, there is it. Then I position it. It's more like the Beizer tool. I position it this way. Well, so let's say this side I want to take out. Okay, if you enable it, you realize that any side you take, it clears it. Any side you take, it clears it. You see, it has cleared everything. That is the mask tool. So I bring it down. So it's this side I want. So I clear it this way. So I gradually do it. Okay. Good. So this is what I want. Okay. Okay. So I open it and okay, so that is with my mask tool, and I click OK. and I pull it up. I bring this one back. I select the mask tool again, and this time round I want to move the up. I want to clear the down, the up. Okay, so I've cleared the down already. So I come here this way. It's just a matter of how you manipulate it to get the desired shape you want. So I clear this space, and I come here. I come here this way, bring it up a little. I think I now have what I want a little, and I label it, takes it off. I clear it, then I merge, I bring it closer. You see what you've gotten now? See what you've gotten? Then I come here, I select this one, this one. Where is it? So I bring it on top so that I can move it well. Okay, so I fix it inside my tool this way. Then I lock it a little, lock that one. I can make a little adjustment to my work. Okay, make a little adjustment to it. Sure, great. So I fix it inside nicely, and I lock that one too. Then I pick the top one, I adjust it a little, Okay, so I think I like it this way. So which one am I selecting now? I want to change the colors. So I change my color. I come here to color, and I give it, let's say, a gold color, or let me give it a light blue color. Then I close this layer. I lock it. Okay, there's for the middle one, so there's for the down one. So I open it, then I choose a color for it too. Okay, let's say I want red, or I want a gold color. Depends on your color combination. I want a gold color. Okay, I want a good color, or I want a yellow color. Alright, depends on your color combination you want. Then I merge all of them. I merge everything. So after merging everything, I position it in the center, relative position. After merging it, and I relatively position it, then I now add some effects to it. So I come to my 3D shape. I told you, you see, it has disfigured it a little. I decrease my depth to 2, or probably, yeah, to 2. Then I come to my shadow. I apply a shadow on it. I decrease the blur radius a little. Then I offset the X to 4 or 5. Set the Y to 4 or 5. Then I come to my emboss. You see how my emboss has disfigured? So you adjust it, keep adjusting. Good. So you adjust it a little. So whenever your emboss disfigures, you adjust it to your preference. Then I increase my intensity or decrease my intensity a little. Increase my ambient light. Then I come to my 3D shadow, increase the darkness to make it more clearer, darken it a little. Then I come back to my emboss and the specular hardness, then the bevel. See how the bevel is looking. Decrease and see my bevel. Okay, so I have this here. So now we have created this. So I don't want to give it a background. I come to my gallery and I select a background here. So I'm waiting for my background. Come sort by newest first. Okay, so I need a nice background here. Okay, so I want to put it on this background. So I place it here, then I adjust it a little. After adjusting it a little, you can decrease it. See, it's disfiguring. Don't worry, keep adjusting it. You realize that it's quite okay. So this one is quite okay. So I just have to do a little changes to it. So I come to my 3D shape again. So my 3D shape, then I position my S well. You can see the effect of the S. You do it gradually. And you see the effect of the Y. You do it gradually. And the Z, you position it a little. So this way is okay. Then I come back to my position. I'm going to send it up a little to this side. And there is something we call perspective. I taught you perspective. It's in this part of it. This part. Then I click on my perspective. Then I enable it. So I want it to fit well on my stuff. So okay. Perspective should fit well on it. So you see what I'm getting here. Okay. Oh. Alright, so I adjust it a little and I move it. So you see what I'm getting here. Gospel Media Consult. So basically this is what you are doing, and I want you to replicate it for me too. I'll send you the background I used, so you replicate it for me. So try your hands on it and let's do. Bye bye.